What's up YouTube, Mitchy here, and just got it's got a charcoal chimney starter. Bought that online off oneday.co.nz, $10, and also got some charcoal. Picked that up from, the brand's called Samby. Picked it up from Bunnings in New Zealand for like 10 quid. So yeah, and I'm just gonna give it a shot. Never grilled like this before, like with the charcoal, so be interesting to see how it turns out. Be interesting to see how much charcoal I need to use too. Hopefully it's cheap. Hopefully I don't need to use too much. I just got some beef patties and capsicum that I'm going to try and grill. Should really have more, but that's just what I got at the moment, so yeah, see how it goes. Hopefully I can start it a little bit. But yeah, I'll take this outside. I'm just going to do it in my gas barbecue too. I'm just going to chuck like a roasting pan or something in, just to hold the charcoal. And then yeah, put the grill over top. So yeah, let's get on with it, eh? Looks like I've finally got it. Started. So just gonna leave that now for about 15 minutes maybe. I don't really want to go out there because it's kind of spitting. It's raining a little bit, so yeah. But the coals are actually like on fire now, so it seems to have worked. So yeah, looks like they're ready to go now, red hot, so I'm going to chuck them in. Hopefully it's hot enough. I can't hear any sizzling. Kind of concerning. Maybe I can a bit. Better cook. I suppose the grill's not hot yet. Oh, it's starting to sizzle now. I don't think I waited long enough for that to heat up, or maybe I didn't use enough charcoal. Seemed to cook eventually though, so yeah. Has a very interesting flavour too. It tastes quite nice, so yeah, cheers for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.